Power BI presented by Meru Accounting. Power BI is a business analytics service provided by Microsoft that allows you to visualize your data. It is an approachable, efficient, and transparent tool for creating visualizations. Power BI Desktop is a key feature that allows you to easily build reports. It provides access to multiple data sources, such as Excel and more. Additionally, Power BI supports real-time analytics through Stream Analytics. In some cases, the default visualizations in Power BI may not be enough due to complex data. However, you can access a custom library of visualizations. Power BI Dashboard consists of visualizations generated from reports, with each report based on a dataset. The visualizations on the dashboard, known as tiles, are pinned by report designers. A single-page dashboard is called a canvas. To import Excel data into Power BI, you start by selecting the Get Data tab. Then you select the desired data file and load it into Power BI. After loading the data, you can clean and pre-process it using the Transform Data button. To build a report in Power BI, you can add visualizations to the report by selecting fields from the data pane. Power BI offers various visual types such as column charts, tables, and maps. You can also change the type of visualization. Power BI is powerful for visualizing and analyzing data. With its user-friendly interface and wide range of features, it enables users for reports and dashboards. Whether you're a business analyst or a data enthusiast, Power BI can help you make data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching.